Matt says, do you still recommend having a things to do section for geographic relevance? Yes, currently, because I haven't tested taking it out. Honestly, I know somebody brought that up probably 2 months ago and asked if that was still needed. And I said, well, it needs to be tested if it can be taken out or not. The things to do, top sites, etc. Those are just points of interest that add geographic relevance to those pages. Um, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know because it needs to be tested. I'm currently still including them in my sites because I haven't tested that. And I know from previous tests, which are over 2 years old now, that adding the geographic relevance data points improved results. So I haven't tested it recently to see if that is still required or not. So I'm just still continuing to do it. So I don't really have a good answer. Brian, do you have any comments on that?
Um, I would still keep it in. The only caveat that I would add to it is just be careful on how much you're doing that. I have seen some issues in the past where like people really go really hard and heavy on, the things to do, and it starts to make your site feel a little bit more like a tourism site
Yeah.
and less relevant to whatever service it is. So that's the only thing that I would look at is just make sure you're not going like whole hog on it. It's still important to have on there. It's still important for geographic relevance. Just don't go overboard.
Yeah, I agree because I think you could dilute the focus of the site if you try to put too much of that stuff in there.